Alrighty, we got the DC power supply hooked up. I figured out where I connect my stuff. As seen on the schematic right here, pin B is 6, 12, or 24 volts, and pin C is ground. That should work. Now, we're going to connect this up. Don't wanna... Okay. Alrighty. As we see on our gotta adjust my thing. As we see on the meter, alright. Oh my god. We actually got some out of it. Oh my god! Eee. Alright, we have the DC meter on 6.9. Let's turn it on. Oh my god. It's drawing 3.8. $6.9. So, I'm not sure if the tubes are glowing, but it's making noise. I guess the relays are still running. Alright. Okay. Gotta send this to my friend.
To tell it's an enclosed tube. Unless you look for the top.
Here.
I don't know. I have no clue, dude. All I know is it smells funny.
Yeah, it's the wax. It's been encased in wax. This is what all this is on here. Wax.
Well,
let me just take this off.
bro, there's something you know on Carisci should have been your little project down in fucking grandma's.
Yeah.
Figure that one out.
Maybe it ain't enough. I've been going through my capacitor stash and I found this one. New old stock. Probably the 60s, and this one calls for 0.0022 at 1600 working volts. This one is apparently a 400 volt, 0.033, 400 volt cap. That'll work for this. Just a bit more. Just give it a bit more. So this is new old stock and stuff. I can't believe it. Oh shit. I'm gonna be opening this. Because I think this is my problem. This capacitor. Chances are, this is the problem. I don't know, we'll find out until we open this damn thing up. Alright. I'm gonna heat up my iron. Alright. I found 2 NOS Lafayette polyester film capacitors. This is almost the same UF as this cap. I'm replacing this capacitor right here. This is a Black Beauty, and I think it's my problem. Also looks like it's leaking. So chances are it is no good. It calls for a 0.022 microfarad at 1600 volts. This one is a 0.03 microfarad at 250 volts, but I looked at it, it's 400 freaking volts. It'll do. And I'm gonna test it with the capacitance meter. I also have my flux out and my vintage Weller soldering iron. The station, I had to figure out. The station, I'm gonna have to figure out what to do. I looked into this. There's loose wires. They burnt off, and I'm not sure I can solder them back on. We'll see. I'd like to get that station running again. It runs, it's just the iron's the problem. If I'm lucky, maybe I could buy one off eBay. But alright, let's get to work. So, let me heat my iron up. Get it heated. There we go. Let that warm up. Let's open up these. Look at that. Let's test it on my meter. 400 volt. 0.033. So chances are that'll be 200 joules. So doesn't measure shit. .033. It measures 0.032. It's still good. Good. It's still good. Let me open this one up. This one's actually properly sealed. Save the packages. So this one's a 250.47. Chances are that'll be like that. 0.47. Yeah, 0.47 right on the dial. Look at that. 0.47 right on the damn dial. It's good still. Not surprised. Okay. I can't wait to test this, although the lead's broken, but I'll figure out something. So, I don't think this doesn't have a, I don't know, whatever it is. Clever. Let me clean up my iron. This is the old cap. Sprague, 0.022, 1600 working, 16 volts, 1600 volts DC, 10L, 10%. Okay, just make sure you're getting everything in there. Okay. What happens if I combine these two together? What will it make? I want to get close to it made 0.50. Strange. Okay. So it made 0.050. Interesting. That won't work. I got like loads of these things. What do we got here? .01. This is an old one. 0.047. I don't like it I don't want it to look like that, but that could be something for us to go by. I got loads of these damn things. Loads of these. Oh, this might work. Let's put these two together and see what they make. Let's see what these make. Chances are, it'll be at the 20. It makes it go up. So, we're using the, we're just gonna, I mean, I got loads of NOS parts, and there's a cabinet full of new old stock capacitors, but look at this. Lafayette, just loads of these things just sitting around. I got this from like Hi-Fi parts, tools, test equipment. Look at that. Old school shit. I mean, I got loads of things. I got loads of ceramic resistors. That would have been enough for a TV set, but just new old stock stuff. Lots of it. I got a lot of these things. Oh my god, my drawer's full of them. It's like unreal. Okay. Whoop. That was out. Okay. So that works. So this capacitor. Uh-oh, where'd it go? Shit. Where's my capacitor? Oh, there it is. Okay. This capacitor will do its job. Sitting right here. Okay, we're gonna... Actually... Yeah, we're in. There. There we go. That's replace. Okay, let's see what this reads. Very curious. 0.035. Ooh. Ooh. Bad. Let's do the other side. .035. Wow. This thing's bad. I could kill two birds with one stone and place this. I think this is for the 6-volt section. No, 100 volt. Damn. Okay, well, that's done. Guess the only thing left to do, power the damn thing on and see what it does. Oh. Okay. You're gonna see what it looks like. This is 47. That's still salvageable. Alright. Don't Don't tell me I'm running out of storage already. How much have I been? Alright. We have the radio. We're going to test some tubes. So let's take out this one. It's almost out. Okay. Let's test this. Oh my god. Let's just get the fuck on there. Where the fuck are you? This tube is still good. Just right. It's still good. Okay. That's good. This one's still good. That one's still good. Let's try this one. CRC 6A. So far this tube is showing defective. Tube is still good. Yep. Still good. Thank goodness. tube's still good. Maybe by doing this will fix it. If I'm lucky. The last two, no, two more tubes left. This one's definitely an original. Ooh. Some of them are a bit rusty. Made in USA. This is a CRC-6A G7 military tube. What's its fate? Probably still good. And it is still good. To the other side. Still good. So tubes are least of our worries. Which is good because I do not like buying tubes.